Good morning students. In the last classes we are seeing the chapter integral under which we are solving the board examination questions. Now students, today we will continue the same class. We will take some other questions of this chapter and solve it. Our first question is find the integral of limit 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay students, so students, this is our question. Limit 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay students, and now we have to find the integral of this question. Okay, so students, first of all, what we will do, we will use the properties of definite integral, which is 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. So we use this property students and we change this. What we can write? We write this pi minus x a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus x. Okay students, so now when we adding this I is 0 to pi, we can write pi minus x by a square. This is cos square x and b square sin square x dx. So students, when we add this second and first, we get 2i is equal to 0 to pi, and adding this we get x plus pi minus x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, because denominator of both equation is same, so we can write this students. Now students, this x and x will cancel, so 2i is equal to 0 to pi and pi by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay students, so 2i is equal to student pi and 0 to pi 1 by x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay, so students, 2i is equal to pi 0 to pi, and dividing this, so we can write sec square x plus a square plus b square tan square x dx. Okay students, now students, we are seeing that this is 2i and pi so this we can write pi by 2 students, and when we change this pi by 2, so we multiply here 2, and this will be written as sec square x by a square b square tan square x. We are using 0 to 2a plus 0 to 2a fx dx. Okay students, so you can write 0 to a fx dx, 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Okay, because when we put, we get the same thing. Okay, now students, this 2 is cancelled. Okay, now we take I is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2 sec square x a square plus b square tan square x dx. So b tan x is equal to t. So students, we can write this b sec square x dx is equal to dt. So I is equal to pi and 0 to pi by 2. Now we change the limit students. When we put 0 here, we get 0. When we put pi by 2, so we get student not defined. Okay. Now students, this is our pi by b, and sec square dx can be written as dt, and here 1 by a square plus t is square. Okay. So this is our. Now students, you know that the integral of this, we know very clearly that so I is equal to pi by b, and this is friends our 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is 1 by a tan inverse t by a, and then limit is 0 to infinite. Okay. So I is equal to pi by ab students, and when we put tan inverse not defined and tan inverse 0, we get students pi by ab into tan inverse not defined. So tan inverse tan pi by 2 so students, this is pi square by 2ab. This will be our required result, which we have to find out from the given. Over students, so we will see once again students. Let's see. This is our question. I is equal to 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This is equation first. And I is equal to 0 to pi minus x by a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus x dx. And students, this we can write cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, and squaring of this, so it will be changed in positive. So we can write a square cos square x, and this is sin pi minus theta, which is sin x. So b square sin square x dx. Okay students, now adding these two equations, we get 2i is 0 to pi x plus pi minus x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So this and this will be cancelled. And students, 2i is equal to 0 to pi and y by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. So 2i is equal to pi and 0 to pi. This is 1 by cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay students, now we are dividing this with cos square x, then we get sec square x plus a square plus b square tan square x dx. Okay students, now this is, we are changing, and this is 2a and 0 to 2a, so we can write 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Okay, so this is same, because when we put sec minus theta, we get sec theta, and minus sec theta, and squaring of this is positive, give us same thing. Similarly here also, so this will be same, so we can change this into 0 to a fx dx. Okay students, now students, here b tan x is t, we are supposing that our b tan x is t, so b sec square x plus dx is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now we change the limit. If we are putting x is 0 over t is 0, if x is not pi by 2, so t is not defined. So pi by b, and this is 1 by a tan inverse t by a, 0 to infinite. So I is equal to pi by ab, and this is tan inverse not defined minus tan inverse 0. Okay students, so this is pi by ab into, this is tan inverse tan pi by 2. So this is pi square by 2ab. This will be our required result. I hope you understand students. Now we move to next question. Our next question, students, find the integral of 0 to pi by 2 and cos square x by cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx. This is our integral, students, and this question is asked in CBSE 2012. Okay, our question is 0 to pi by 2 cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx. Okay, students. So first of all, students, what we will do, we will change this sin square x into cos square x. Okay, and so let us start, students. Our I is 0 to pi by 2 and this is cos square x plus 4. This we can write cos 1 minus cos square x dx. Okay, students, and I is 0 to pi by 2. This is cos square x by cos square x plus 4 minus 4 cos square x dx. I is 0 to pi by 2, students, cos square x by 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. Okay, students. So, students, this we can write. Okay. Now, students, we make this like 0 to pi by 2. We are multiplying with minus 3 cos square x, and here we are dividing with minus 3. And students, here is 4 minus 3 cos square x. So we are adding 4 and subtracting 4 dx. Okay. Now there are two terms, students. Now we are separating this to this first and second. So we can write I is 1 by minus 3 0 to pi by 2, and this is 4 minus 3 cos square x by 4 minus 3 cos square x minus 4 by 4 minus 3 cos square x dx, and here limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, students, we are seeing that our first part is going to be cancelled and second part we will integrate this. Okay, students. So, students, now, students, this is I is equal to minus 1 by 3. Here it will cancel, we gives 1 and integration of pi by 2 dx. And students, here this is take 4 outside and this is 0 to pi by 2. And students, this is 1 by 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. Okay, students, now this is I is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, students, so this is x and 0 to pi by 2, and this is plus 4 by 3 0 to pi by 2. And students, when we are dividing in this part with cos square x, we get above sec square x and by 4 sec square x minus 3 dx. Okay, students, so I is minus 1 by 3 and this is pi by 2 and plus 4 by 3. Okay, students, and this we can write sec square x by 4 1 plus tan square x minus 3 dx. So I is equal to minus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 3. Now students, we are taking this tan x is t, so we can write sec square x dx is equal to dt. So students, I is equal to minus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 3 is 0, which is 0, and pi by 2, so not defined. And students, this is dt by 1 by 1 plus t square minus 3 dt. Okay students, so I is equal to minus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 3, and this is this we can write 1 by 4 t square plus 1 dt, and this is 0 to not defined. Okay students, now we take this 4 outside, we get 0 to infinite by 1 by t square plus 1 by 2 whole square dt. Okay students, so we are saying that student, this is the formula of, this is tan inverse 1 by a, tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a, which is 2 tan inverse t by a, so it will be 2t, and this is 0 to not defined. So minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 2 students, and here we write tan inverse not defined minus tan inverse 0. So this is minus 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3, and this is pi by 2, and this is 0. So students, this is, so when we further solve it student, we get minus pi by 6 and plus pi by 3. So we get I is equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. This is equal to pi by 6. So this will be our required result. Okay students, I hope you understand. Now let's see once again what we have done in this question. Our question is I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx. Okay students, so I is 0 to pi by 2 cos square x plus 4. This we can write 1 minus cos square x dx. And students, I is 0 to pi by 2 cos square x plus 4 minus 4 cos square x dx. So 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by, this is 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. So I is students minus 1 by 3, 0 to pi by 2, and this is, we are making students this part like this. So we are multiplying with minus 3 and dividing with minus 3, adding plus 4, subtracting minus 4, we get this. Now we are separating this. We can write this and this in this form. This part is cancelled, we get 1 dx, and this is minus 4 0 to pi by 2 dx. Okay students, now our I is minus 1 by 3, and this is x 0 to pi by 2, so we get minus pi by 6 from here, and this is 4 by 3 students, and this cos square x we are dividing in numerator and denominator by cos square x. We are getting 4 sec square x minus 3, and here sec square x. Now this sec square x we can write 1 plus tan square x students, and let tan square x is t, sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now I is minus 5 by 6 students plus 4 by 3, and we change the limiters, we get 0 to none not defined, and 1 by 4 1 plus t square minus 3 dt, and I is minus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 3, so 0 to infinite, and this is 1 by 4 t square plus 1 dt. Take 4 outside, we get t square plus 1 by 2 ka whole square, and this is minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So 2 tan inverse 2 t we can write, because we know the formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a students. So we can write this. Now minus 5 by 6, so plus 2 by 3, and this is tan inverse not defined, minus sign is used, so we can write at the place of this pi by 2 and this will be cancelled with minus pi by 6 is pi by 3 and get the result which is pi by 6. I hope you understand, students. This is very important question. Now we see next question. Our next question is, friends, prove that I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log tan theta plus cot theta d theta is equal to pi log 2. Which friends, this is we have to prove that. So friends, we have to prove that this is I is equal to pi by 2 log tan theta plus cot theta d theta is this. So we will now start the solving. I is 0 to pi by 2 log this tan we can write sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta d theta. Which friends, so 0 to pi by 2 log this sin theta cos theta and here sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write it d theta. Okay, we can write this in this form. So 0 to pi by 2 log 1 by sin theta cos theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 2 log this we can write sin theta cos theta to the power minus 1 d theta. So we can write minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta cos theta d theta. Okay friends, and this friends we can write log sin theta plus 0 to pi by 2 log cos theta. Okay friends, so this friends, after this or minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta and plus either we can write minus also 0 to pi by 2 log cos pi by 2 minus theta d theta. This part friends we can write 0 to pi by 2 log cos pi by 2 minus theta. We are applying the properties. 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. So minus 0 to pi by 2 students log sin theta and minus log sin theta and this is 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Okay friends, so this is minus 2 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta d theta. Okay friends, so this is minus 2 0 to pi by 2 log sine theta. Okay students, and you know the value of this part is, we have already proved in the previous classes, the value of this is minus pi by 2 log of 2. So this part is cancelled and minus this. So the value of this is, we get pi log 2, hence proved. Okay students, I hope you understand. Let's see once again. First of all, we have changed this tan and cot and sin and cos. Then we'll take LCM of both and getting sin square theta plus cos square theta in numerator, and the value of this is 1. So we can write this cos theta sin theta to the whole inverse, and you know log n to the power n is minus 1 log sin theta cos theta, and this is log m into n. So we can break this in log m plus log n, taking integration sign separately. And students, now we multiply this negative sign inside, we get minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta, and this is 0 to pi by 2 log cos pi by 2 minus theta. Okay students, and here students, this minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta, and this is, we can write cos pi by 2 minus theta applying the first property, and we get the same thing. So this is 2 times students, so we can write minus 2 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta d theta. And you know students, in the previous class we had proved that this part, which is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, so at the place of this we can write minus pi by 2 log 2, and we get pi log 2. Okay, so this is our right hand side. In this way we can prove that this question. And students, this is also very important question from examination point of view. Okay, now we see another question students. Our next question is students, 0 to I is equal to 0 to pi e to the power cos theta, and by cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Okay friends, so this is our next question students. So first of all, we are supposing this is question number first, and we have to integrate this question. So we apply the limit students 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a fa minus dx. Now this is 0 to a cos pi minus x plus minus cos pi minus x dx. So I is equal to minus cos x by e to the power minus cos x plus e to the power cos x dx. Okay students, now students, we are adding these two equations. We are seeing that the denominator of this and this are same, so we are adding first and second. We get 2i is 0 to pi by pi, and this is e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Okay friends, now we are seeing that this part is cancelled, so 2i is equal to 0 to pi 1 dx. So 2i is equal to 0 to 1 x dx. Okay friends, so this we can write 2i is, when we are writing the integration of this, we can write, okay, 0 to pi. So friends, we get 2i is equal to pi, I is equal to pi by 2. Okay friends, so this will be our required result. So friends, in this question what we have done, and friends, this question is asked in CBSE 2009. Okay, and question says that find the integral of this. So I is equal to pi e to the power cos pi minus x, and this we can write pi minus x. So we get minus cos x, and this minus will be changed in plus. Okay, adding these two we get both are the same, so it will be cancelled, we get 1, and you know the integration of 1 is x, and you put the limit and get I is pi by 2. I hope you understand this friends. So friends, in this way we can solve such type of question, and now we will see some other questions in the next class. Thank you so much for today.